From here again, we will switch to the sign in, and currently we are doing HR manager demo. So HR manager, you will find these credentials in your checkbox. So password is demo at the rate 696. Hit enter, and you will reach here. So here you can find HR has the human resource module. So analytics is currently disabled, but human resource module is available for HR manager as per the rule permissions. So here we go. Here we can see the dashboard, some insights of the entire HR system, and we can switch from here to any shortcut link, and these are the employees already in the system. But before we going through the employee, we can see some settings here. So currently this currency setting is USD. We can set up PKR as per our uh, location, and also some working days, hours, attendance policies, and these things will be helpful to manage automatically in uh, the respective modules. So let's come back to the employee. Simply we can export an employee and import employees. These are the fields for import. We can download template, and also we can export employees. And once we set up everything, we can create a new employee. And likewise this, we have some fields, and also we can see departments, accountant shift, and hiring date is mandatory. An employee will be created. After this we can assign some salary stuff and everything. So we have just created simple listing. We can change the status, and active clock will be recorded here. So these kind of like active to active, currently this is active to active, but we can change logs. And here is some leave already assigned to this user. Even we can allocate new leave type and balance to this user. We can apply leave for this, and attendance HR, and inside the HR we can see the PKR, and this is the salary. For HR manager we can change compensation and salary from here, and also we can add increment. Let's say net salary is 130 now, and salary has been increased by 8.3%. And here we can see the salary increment, and also we can add bonuses. These will be affected in the payroll. So salary hit already 1,20,000. We can download payslip, and also we can apply for loan documents if any issued document to this user. Likewise, we have experience letter. No, we have a format for offer letter. We can select offer letter, and currently we have this signature, but I think the image is not uploaded there. So we can issue this document, and now this document will look like this. And if we correct the image, this will be signature here. And even we can send and acknowledge for approval, and this letter can be sent it to the user email, and employee can also see this in their portal. Well, after this we have attendance. This is very comprehensive module. We can import attendance through these employee ID and status, and also we can mark bulk attendance, which is very important module for all the departments. Like here we have this, we can mark as late or something like that. If we have a lot of employees, we can't manage all these employees, so we can simply manage from this. All right, I can go through this module uh, very deeply, but for now this is enough, and we can manage shifts and rosters if we have holidays, if we are managing some holidays and events like that, and leave request. Here we can see we can approve. If I have a permission as a HR manager, I do have a permission for this role, and I can download, I can view and send and everything like that. And then after this, we can create some types for leave, and after this, we have some payroll setting, payroll generation options. These are the predefined. Uh, you can set up these from starting, and here you have all months here. You want to generate for all department. Let's just hit, and now we are in the job mode. We can simply see here nothing is generated. We just have to hit this generate button for all the department, and there we go. Salary has been generated. If we have all these fields already pre-filled or something like that, we have assigned some amount in this will be predefined here, and also we can edit anything from this that will be affected 5% of. All right, we have added, this will be added, and even we can detect some absence rate like 5 days. So let's say, okay, this employee doesn't have a salary, so therefore it's not affecting. Let's say we are adding some text here, 5,000 and detection for 5 days. So there you can see 21 and half 2 days. So this will be reflected here. So here you can see half days, absent days, takes, house allowance and other things. If we have a reimbursement, already we see in the portal, and bonuses will be add on here if you have a sign for the month, and medical allowances and tax deductions, everything as per your setting from the HR. Well, once we have done everything, we can just make it approved. So this entry will be hit in the accounting as a payable uh, salary for the month of February. So once we mark as a paid, then this will be hit payable to the cash, and accounting will be properly managed through these activities. When we can export from here, this is approval, sign, and we can just mark as pet. Let's say currently we don't have configured the account uh, from the accounting, therefore this is showing like this. Otherwise, this will be properly held in respective account. This is accounting setting, so we will see in accounting module. All right, here we can see pay slips. We can download it, and we can just add on the filter of different things and deductions. If we have any deduction, like we just did this type of deduction from for the Ali Hassan, so we can see the net pay, and even similar if we have a loan paid and any loan record, that will be shown here. And also we can see final settlement if we have any employee, like I want to say any person has selected calculate by today, and this will calculate like the remaining salary for the day and 91 gratuity. This will also calculate, you can calculate by yourself. Gratuity completed 7 years, completed 7 years and months, 1,30,000. So this is how it works. If you have a different policy, you can just set up for that. And let's just hit this. If you have approval access, you can approve, and once done, you can pay by the bank, which we have already discussed. Let's say for the organization, we can simply set up a department, and we can even make a department under the department, like inside finance, account, like that. That will be created under the department, and we just have to properly manage from. Alright, then we can set up designations, simply designations here, and we can design some uh, letters. So these are letters. This look like, and this is the image which we have authorized signature. We can simply update the signature from here to remove existing and upload a new one. This will be, even we can upload a URL for this. Okay, and we have some templates already in the system. We can make more templates from these uh, types, and these are the fields we can just simply give to this chat gpt and say make a format and disregard, and that will be like that will look like this. Chat gpt will give you this format, and when you paste here, so this will say these fields are utilized, and your letter will be look like this, and you can see letter is looking like this. And after this we can see some reportings from last month, 3 months, and we don't have much like uh, head count. This is similar for all the time, and we have employees. We can see some records here, and likewise we have leave, and one has applied for the leave, but this is on pending. And here we can see all insights of payroll. So this is the payroll. Well, if we have any other module, we can switch from here. That's it. Thank you.